Is Rakul's beauty secret?
Well, I feel happy, so I think what's inside you is what's outside you.
Something that moved you recently?
Something that recently moved me, I think a lot of love from the fans when I went to Vizag. So many people screaming your name really moved me.
Something you're bored of right now?
Interviews!
One subject you would love to teach in school?
I would love to teach. I wish there was a subject which actually taught you what life is all about.
Your spontaneous adventure?
This is spontaneous. This is really spontaneous. Unexpected 55 questions.
Superpower you wish you had?
That I wish I could change the fact that everything that is tasty has so many calories. If I had that superpower of changing that, I would love it.
Must have in Rakul's fridge?
Cold water.
What's your bizarre talent?
I don't know.
Is there something you cannot do?
I don't think so. I think there's everything sensible that I can do. Of course, nonsensical things I won't do, but everything that is meant to be done, I'm sure I can do.
Word you use often while talking?
You know.
First thing that comes to your mind when you think about food?
I love it.
What's your favorite fashion trend?
Favorite fashion trend for me, it's basic denims and tees. I think that never goes out.
Trend that you wish didn't exist?
Nothing like that. A lot of fads keep coming and going, but I don't like shararas. You know those things with small blouses and then shararas, palazzo kind of things. So that's neither Indian, that's neither Western. I don't understand it.
A message to a 17-year-old Rakul?
I don't know, yeah. I mean, there's nothing that I would like to teach that Rakul. Everything comes with age and every learning is great. It's a process. So I don't know.
Model or acting?
Acting any day.
Fad diets?
I don't believe in them.
First thing you did today?
Brushed my teeth.
Are you scared of monsters?
No, I'm a monster.
How does Rakul react to these? Morning shoe?
I don't have an issue. I wake up at any point.
Puppies?
Aww.
Best friend?
So many.
Cricket match?
I love it. I'm a sports person, sports enthusiast.
Party?
Yay!
Movie release day?
Okay, I'm a little nervous right now.
And Madonna?
Talented.
Something you won't be doing at 30s?
Something I won't be doing at 30s? Telling people my age.
Did any guy reject you?
Actually, I've never approached a guy. I don't take the first step.
How does Rakul impress a guy?
I'm going to be myself, so whoever's impressed can just come and talk to me.
First time you got caught lying?
First time, I don't remember.
Favorite spice?
Cinnamon.
Price per session?
My new house.
One actor you wish he was single?
One actor I wish wasn't dating would be Ranveer Singh.
Okay. Tall and lean or short and muscular?
Tall and muscular.
Do you cook?
I can boil eggs.
Give us the recipe.
You need the right quantity of water and you need to add some salt so that the eggshell doesn't crack up. That's an art.
Sexiest color in your wardrobe?
I'm a fan of whites.
A unicorn or rainbows?
I think unicorns because obviously they don't exist, and my idea of also a lot of things in the world is like that.
Clubbing or chit-chatting?
Clubbing with people you can chit-chat with.
Diamonds or puppies?
Puppies.
What's Rakul's weirdest habit?
I get a little naggy. I have a little OCD when it comes to people not keeping things at the right place.
What do we not know about Rakul?
I'm very easy to read, yeah. I'm like an open book. So I think you'd get to know everything.
Childhood addiction?
Childhood addiction? Food.
Imitate your best friend.
Imitate my best friend? Okay, so there's this friend of mine called Rashi, and she can't say Subha. She's like, Subha hum kya kare? Chola bhatura khayenge? And we're like, no, you don't have one chola with the bhatura, you have chole bhature, you know. So her Hindi is really bad. But and for the last 7 years I've been telling her that it's not Subha, it's Subha, it's not Subo.
What's your first R-rated movie?
It was actually a very funny film, I remember. The first film that I saw, I remember, alone without my parents, was Ajnabi. So that was actually a UA, and that was a big deal for my parents to send me alone for a film which is UA.
How often do you Google your name?
Not too often. I think my parents do it more than I do.
Who did you text last?
I just texted my manager saying, "Rep morning shows book chesara leda." Cheppenu.
Your favorite festival?
I think every festival is good as long as you get to eat that day.
What's your favorite country?
Favorite country? I love the US.
The last country you visited?
Bolivia. I went to South America.
Would you kiss on your first date?
Never.
If you were a hip-hop artist, what would your stage name be?
Rakul.
Cutest name a guy has ever given you?
There is no guy to give me any name only, yeah.
Where is Rakul Sareno?
That's for God to know, yeah. I mean, I don't know. I don't think there are any Sarai. There are a lot of Norus, there are a lot of people, but they're not Sarai.
Movie that made you cry?
The first film that actually made me cry was Kal Ho Na Ho.
What's that one thing missing in your life right now?
Sarai Nodu?
Disney movie you wish you were a part of?
Disney movie Cinderella.
3 words in 3 different languages.
3 words in 3 different languages. Very nice. Baundi. Bahut changa.
What's that one thing every woman should have in her closet?
One thing every woman should have in her closet would be a nice white t-shirt and denims.
What's Rakul's favorite dance step?
I like dancing, generally club dancing, but if you call it a step, then I get nervous. So don't call it a step, just jump around.
Speak in a foreign language.
Ista la vista, baby. That's all.
What's the difference between Rakul as a model and Rakul as an actress?
Rakul's Rakul, yeah. I mean, I don't know. Model, actress, there's no difference. I've been the same ever since I was in school. So that's just the profession which cuts off as soon as I'm offset.
How does Rakul prep for her movie?
So it depends from role to role whether you prepare for a film or not, and this is the kind of film that I hadn't done before, so I had to do a little bit of my homework, and more than my homework, I think the director's homework was very well done, and his inputs really helped me. So please watch the film and please support us and watch it only in theatres.